Hello everyone, my name is Ropli Kiran Ashok from Ahmednagar. Today's date is 11 September 2021. Our today's Viva topic is what is SQL. We have discussed about the SQL before we are going to the database. So what is the database? Database, it means we can collect the data from your system and to store the data in database. So it is mean by database. Database, its main function is to store the data in your systems, to store the data in your system by easily using the in database. We can use the database to store the data in every every system, your regarding to your work regarding data. We can store the data in database. So we have discussed about the what is SQL. SQL is a standard language. We can use the SQL. This is the standard language. We can the manipulating retrieving the data from your database. So SQL stands for standard query language. It's mainly using it is mainly using we have stored the data from your database by using SQL. SQL it's manipulating and retrieving the data from your database. So we can use the SQL. There are we can use the SQL. There we have create the websites. We can use mostly using websites like we can use the website your web design web developers, and we can use the CSS and HTML, and we are using the your page styles and fonts size. It's using the by using the CSS and HTML. And the next one, we can use the database management system. It's also including in your access MySQL, Oracle. We can use the we can use the SQL in we are using the create the websites. And the next one, what is the mean by database management system? What is the mean by DBMS? DBMS, it means database management system. It stands for database management system. It's using the your data is to collect the your previous data, to collect the from your data and to store the data in your database. So we are using the relational database management system. And the next one, there are various types of commands we are using the SQL. First of all, we have execute the program, execute the query against your data. So next one, to delete the some data from your database, to insert into the data from your database. And then next one, we are using the where clause. So what is mean by where clause? Where clause, it means we are using the where clause. It is a totally condition based. So we can use the where clause is a various types of queries, like suppose we are using the we have include the your data from your table. Like we have created the table name is a student, and there are various types of field and or contents are included in your tables. First of all, student ID, then student name, and then student marks. So it is a you are creating table, and in that table we are including the we are including the various types of fields, and then we have required the specific data from your tables. So we can use the where clause. Where clause, it means we are applying the various types of condition. It is a condition based. It is using where clause. And the next one, to delete the data from your database, we can use the data delete commands. And the next one, to create the new tables in your database. And like tables name is suppose employee. It is employee, and employee, in that employee tables we can various types of field are including in this table. First of all, employee ID, and then employee name, and then employees departments, and then employees organization locations. So it is a new creating table to employee name. And the next one, we are using the various types of commands. We are using the various types of command in using the SQL. First of all, select command. So select command, we can use the suppose we have created tables. Your table name is employee, and we are using the select command. Select command, it means we have select, and then we are using the star, and then you put the column name, and then it's from the table name. So it is using select command. Select command, it means we are using the your tables data by easily available to by using the select command. And the next upon to insert command. Insert command, suppose we are using the insert command, suppose we are creating the table like suppose table name is the student, and in that table we are including this various types of field, and we can insert the another field in your tables, so we can use the insert keyword. And the next one to delete keywords. To delete keyword, it means we are creating the table some important fields, but we can delete the some specific columns in that your tables, so we are using the delete keywords. And the next one to order by keywords. To order by keywords, it means we are to order by keywords, it can be used to your data to you have execute the ascending order and descending order as per requirement, as per depends upon you. But ascending order, your data is executed by using ascending order, it is a default as by using the order by keywords. And the next one to between keywords. Between keywords, it means we are using the between keywords to between the your tables from specific values, value 1 and value specific values from values 1 from to values like suppose value 7. So in that between value 1 to 7, in that between the values we are using the between keywords, and we have find out the between values as per your requirements. So we are using the between keywords. And the next one we are using the joins. So what is the joins? Joins, it means we are using the join keywords. We can use the join keywords. We have created support table 1, it is a table left table, and the second table we have created the right tables. So in that two tables we are using the joins keywords, so it can be used the join keywords, and we are using the we have joined the table 1 and table 2 from the using the join keywords. So there are various types of joins are using in SQL. First of all, left joins, and second of all, right joins, and then next of all to cross joins, and then next of all to outer joins and to inner joins. So inner join, it means we are using the inner joins. We have joined the tables from the your join the table from the table 1 content and table 2 contents. We have joined the table by using the inner keywords. And the next one, left tables, left joins. Left joins, it means we are using the left join from we are using the left joins. We are matching the left joins. We are joining the left joins. We are joining the left joints and matching the records from the your right side table, so we can use the left joints. And next upon right joints. Right joint, it means we are using the right joint. We are using the right joint and the matching right joint to table 1. Its table name is its table is a right table and right side table, and we are matching the records from the left side tables. So it is a right joints. So there are various types of joints we are using, and there are various types of commands are using the SQL. So it is all about the SQL. Thank you so much.